Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. So as I said, let's open it and... okay. Alright, you have to give me a minute. Alright, we've got it. All we have to do right now is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got this pop-out window where we can remove the browsing history, tabs and cookies cache and other site data. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or even all time. Just choose the option and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, like for example saved passwords, simply tap on more options and here you've got those advanced options which are available. So saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. As you can see, I will remove everything. You can change the time range again and then tap on delete data. And basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.